Industry leaders attending the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit have pledged investment of over 2.38 lakh crore rupees in Gujarat. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that India will become a $30 trillion economy by 2047. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said that Beijing's perspective towards New Delhi has changed drastically as India has emerged as a strategic power. A Delhi court has extended the judicial custody of Aam Aadmi Party leaders Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh till the 20th of January in connection with the Delhi excise policy scam case. Preparations are in full swing at Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh for the grand opening of the Ram temple.